Welcome to my first video in the series How to Improve Contractors' Productivity in a Turnaround. The first suggestion is speed up the communication between all relevant partners involved in your turnaround. There are several pain points related to this suggestion. First of all, there are so many different points of contact and different sources of information, and that means that the probability of inconsistent information flow to and from your contractors is rather high. Furthermore, contractors cannot always be sure if the documents that they received from the owner-operator some time ago are really still valid or not. Or vice versa, the owner-operator is not always sure whether or not the contractors are really updated about any document revision or rescheduling, for instance. Our recommendation is to use a dedicated turnaround web portal for the interaction with external partners. This can be considered as a single point of information for the turnaround. Recommended features of such a turnaround web portal are, for instance, digital registration and authentication of contractors and their employees. Each contractor assigns a portal administrator who administrates all his employees, their roles and accounts in the portal. Additionally, the portal should provide daily updated information and downloadable documents for all external partners. And if a contractor's employee is logged into the portal, then this person should have access to all the apps that are required for his or her job via his or her smartphone. And here are a choice of figures for benefits that our partners have achieved with a turnaround dedicated web portal. They concluded that more than 80% time savings could be achieved for the contractor when accessing information and documents from the operator. The owner-operators themselves were able to save more than 25% in time and costs for registering and authenticating contractors and their employees. And also the IT infrastructure that needed to be provided to the contractors' employees by the owner-operator turned out to be 5 to 25% less costly when using a web-based turnaround portal. For further information on this matter, just take a look at my LinkedIn posts and follow the links therein. You can find my posts in my LinkedIn profile. And with this, I wish to thank you for your attention. The second video will deal with the topic of safety instructions. Cheers!